Hi everybody, welcome back. It is another Lap It Up. I am your host, Sir Drink Salon, also known as Okami Kyodai, which is Japanese for Wolf Brother, which some of you might know from book series by Robert Jordan. Also, as I said, Sir Drink Salon, which was my Vine handle for the last 2 years of Vine. And On the Road with the Wolf is the name of the channel. It was an idea I came up with also back when I came up with Wolf Den Studios, which has slowly evolved into what we have here. If any of y'all knew that, thought I would give you info on that. But this is my drink series, my review series. I go through drinks, tell you what I think. Yeah, basically. No, it's not that I do a lot of traveling, but I do like a drive, and whenever I'm on the road, I drink. I like having something to drink. And stopping at gas stations is always kind of cool because I would always find different types of drinks, different types of sodas, coffees, energy drinks. I always wanted to try some, but I never got around to it. I was always like, no, you can't waste your money doing that. You got stuff to do. And, I'd always have like a significant other or somebody in the car that was either just not interested in stopping at gas stations or really not interested in the whole concept of, checking things out. So that's changed. My life has changed quite a bit in the past few years. And it's not specifically any one thing, but I decided I would do this, and so far it has been a very rewarding experience. Nothing major, but just that sense of freedom. Anyway, so I thought I would, since it is morning, at least at the moment, as far as you know, thought I'd hit up the old Royal Cup Rainforest. And the last time I tried one of these cream and sugar, these are straight black coffees, at least the one that I tried. I got this at Walmart, and this will probably be the same, hopefully a different flavor, or different consistency. I like creamer and sugar with my coffee, and that's just me. And this, okay, the last one when I smelled it smelled like hotel coffee. This smells like definitely a different type of brew, and here I am opening it before I read the information. I get a little ahead of myself. I'm just really thirsty, I guess. I'll go ahead. It's a dark roast Rainforest Bold, consciously brewed from an icebox in Birmingham, built on a foundation of using only the highest quality beans, a slow cold steeping process, and time-tested craftsmanship. That's interesting. I didn't read that off the last one. Calories are 15, 12 fluid ounce bottle, 10 milligrams of sodium, 3 grams of carbs, 1 gram of protein. So, none of those carbs come from sugar, so it's probably a straight black coffee. I do like that smell. That is a nice coffee smell. This is even worse. But I know that it's the black coffee. I think that if this had creamer and sugar, this would actually be a very good flavor. I'm just not a black coffee fan. I'm not. There's a sour, as all I can put it. There's a it's like a. I can't. I'm gonna need to do something with that. I can't drink that. I'm sorry. The thing is that I'm catching those flavors in the background. Besides that cold coffee, that sharp twang when you first get it. It's not a citrusy twang, but like a. Whoop. Sorry. I stopped. There's a funeral procession that just came through, and two sheriff cars just kind of stopped in the intersection right as I got a green. And I was like, okay, we'll just stay put. But no, it is a sharp twang. It's like it sounds so silly to say this, roasted bean water. It just tastes not good, and I am definitely not a fan of it. But then again, I have had some coffees where I've had it black, hot and black in a cup. It just kind of forced my way through the morning. But if I added creamer and sugar, even just straight creamer, not flavored creamer, it was amazing. And I think because of the flavor that I can kind of get here, it's not bad. It's just that initial. It's also the cold punch with it, with the sour. Oh, ooh, yeah. I'm sorry, but I guess I'm a cold coffee. I do like cold coffees, but I like cold coffees when they're gonna say this sweetness and a cream that sets apart that coffee bite. And some people love that, but for me, no, I can't handle that. That's not good. Gonna have to give this a. I almost want to give it a 1. It'd be a first. Like I said, I know that it's because it's a cold pressed coffee. It's not really my thing. If there were a little creamer and sugar in it, this would be probably really delicious. And I might actually go do that. I might put a little creamer and sugar in this just to see. But I'm gonna give it a 2. And I'm also going to give it a 2. It's not good. Maybe I was a little kinder to the other one. I'm not quite sure. I might give this a 3. I think I like this smell. I like the smell better. But man, no, I can't. I gotta. That's amazing. I feel bad just knowing that this could be better, but as it is, it's not good for me anyway. My personal flavors. Let me know what you guys think. Have you tried this? Do you think it's good? I don't know, but anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. A little bit longer than I was expecting. Plus the funeral procession wasn't as long as I thought it would be. But as always, I am Sir Drink Slump, and I am wishing you health, wealth, and love with enough time and gusto to enjoy it all, down to the last drop, hopefully.